Alright, people, una good morning. How everything? I hope everything dey alright. Make you not feel like say God not dey, God dey your side. He not dey against you. So we don't dey near end of this series. Now wetin we dey look? Now we dey look salvation. But today I want to tell you about this salvation we dey talk. And the reason I want tell you is say the salvation na God work. Na God work and the gift wey God give. So anytime we go see grace, mercy, all those things, now that salvation we dey talk about. Okay, no man, nobody fit work this salvation for himself. You know, some people they think say this salvation that them work and all those ones. So that kind thinking, nah, bad thinking. So like I did talk before, this salvation, man, God work. Not be man work, only God do am by himself. Make we look for Old Testament. Isaiah 63 verse 5. He say, and he can't look, but no one there to help, and he can't wonder why no one there to help. Say therefore, with your hand, he can't bring salvation. With your hand, now it bring salvation. And the way I go fit break it down. But if you look at for him, you see, and there was none to help, and I wondered that there was none to uphold. Therefore, my own arm brought salvation unto thee. My fury it upheld me. So we dey look and say this work. Now God work, not be now work. Make one look at it. We will look for Hebrews chapter 9. Hebrews chapter 9, verse 12. No be by the blood of goat or cow, but na the blood, but na your blood. Now it enter into the holy place when he don't get eternal salvation for us. So you could see him. For English say, neither by the blood of goats and calves, by his own blood he entered in once into the holy place, having obtained eternal redemption for us. So you did see, I'm so say no be man work, na God work. Make we come still Ephesians chapter 2 from 7 to 9. He said that in the ages to come he will show the riches of grace and the kindness to us through Jesus Christ. Now by grace, now we dey save through faith, and not be by ourselves, not be our work. Now the gift of God, not be for work, not be by our work. Make any man take the goods. Because he say everything there, now God do am. So this salvations, now God do am. Now God like give am. So he be like inheritance. He may say the papa don't already work the inheritance. The pikin just go enter into the inheritance. The pikin not do anything. That's all it be. This salvation are free gift wey God don't give all of us. He not talk say if you go look Job 3:16, he say for God so loved the world. He don't give you only pikin. Say anybody will believe in that, you go dey see. So he say if Abraham, you could consider this. He say if Abraham gets all this supposed, say not be before God. Okay, not be before God. Yeah, that is Romans chapter 4 from 2 and 3. He say if Abraham he dey justified, or if Abraham get this salvation by work, he may say he gets something to boast, but not before God. For within the scripture talk, you see Abraham believed God and they call counter for righteous. So you see this one, God nine give, God nine do this salvation, nine work, he work and finish. We call the enjoy him. We don't work him. Open your mind to this thing where they talk. We not feel work him, not be your work, God work. So like I go talk. Now who bring this salvation? Who work this salvation can give us? Now God through Jesus Christ. You not get any other name, you not get any other person we do. Not be you do. Now waiting the inheritance we you will receive na free gift. Na so it be. My people, I could assist on this channel. We get a lot to deliver to. God bless you now.